Everyone to our another podcast. Today we are going to shoot a very interesting podcast, and this is very much relevant to our today's time because as we all know that gold and silver price are really rising up. It's going so up that people are so afraid that what will happen in next few days or months, where the price will go. So that's why today I have a student and he has the idea about the gold price and silver price, that why it is increasing, how it is increasing. So today we are going to discuss about this. Although we know that the price is just gone down a little bit for a few days ago. So we'll talk about all of these things. So let me welcome our student Abhijit. So Abhijit, how are you doing today?
So first of all, thank you for having me to another podcast, and I am happy to be here again.
Yeah.
And I feel confidence more than previous
Yes.
podcast, but I feel also nervous a
Yeah.
little bit.
So this is your second time that you are
Yes.
participating in a podcast. So the first, what was the first topic you discussed?
We did the podcast about communication skills.
Yes. What is communication
and
skill?
why it is important
Yes,
for
yes.
us and everyone's life.
But today's topic is something different.
Yes, yes, I know.
It's totally kind of field-based topic that we must have a knowledge
about
that. That's why. So today our topic is why gold and silver price are going up. So let me first tell you that I want to ask you one question. If I talk about gold,
Okay.
why do you think that gold price are actually increasing day by day? Why it is going up? What do you think about that?
Okay. So this is a very simple reason because of that.
Yeah.
Why this happens? Because the first reason is the inflation and the world economies was unstable,
Yes.
and the third reason is political tension.
Yeah.
When there is war or something like that,
Definitely.
people there lose trust on the paper money. Basically.
Yes.
So on that time, investor and like especially investor and people
Yeah.
who look for something safe.
Yeah.
And on that time, the gold, the
Gold, any commodity like gold and
commodity,
silver.
gold and silver. So
Yes.
that's why this time we also buy and invest our money on gold, and
Yes.
that's why the
It is.
gold price growing up so
Yeah.
high. And recently, there is some days ago their price gone down.
Gone down a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
But still, it is too much. If we talk about it, it's gone a little bit. It's gone down. But if you compare year on year, I mean, if you just compare, this is the October of 2024,
Yes.
and if you compare the price of gold in 2023, you would understand. Not see 20. It's actually 2025.
2025
Yes,
actually.
2025. And if you compare the price of gold in 2024,
Oh.
it's a huge difference.
Yes, that's
Yeah, yeah,
Because
even-
okay, let
Yeah, sure.
complete.
So the thing is that if you can just take a look for 3 or 4 months back,
Okay.
the gold was almost 75,000 rupees
Yes.
per 10 gram.
Yes.
But now it is almost touching. I know what is the exact rate.
1,25,000.
1,25,000. So it is-
but it's I say that the actual price now.
Yeah.
On that day,
money,
on that
it's
day.
up to date price.
Yes.
Yeah.
But some days ago, when
Yeah.
the price growing up,
Yeah.
on that time the price reached maybe 1,32,000 or 33,000.
Yeah, maybe that's the all-time
Yeah,
high.
yeah.
It is called all-time high. What is the maximum level it has achieved in our in 2025?
2025.
Still, I think it is still relevant to discuss that. Maybe many people are talking about that gold price has gone down. It's not actually
Yes.
gone down.
No, gone down. Yes.
People are saying that it's gone down from the top.
Top.
But what about from the past? Just 3 or 4 months ago, it was 80,000, 90,000, and now it's 1,30,000, 1,20,000. It's still so high. Okay,
Yes.
that's good. So one of the term that you use, that inflation is one of the reason that why gold price is increasing. So many students who is listening to us, who are actually following this podcast, they do not have any idea what is inflation. Can you explain that word?
Okay, of course, yes, I have explained it. So inflation, it's like that, something like if you like, I give you an example to
Yeah.
understand it's very well.
Yeah.
Like if you have 1,000 rupee some years ago, like
Yeah.
2020 and 2000 something like that. So on that time, in 1,000 rupee, you can buy a lot of groceries.
Yeah.
But on that time, if you have same money,
Yes.
but you buy some
Very
more
few.
less.
Yes.
So that is a inflation. Inflation means the value of money lose their
Yeah.
power to buy something.
Yeah.
So that's the inflation.
Oh, so inflation means that when money actually lose their value.
Value,
And-
yes.
Okay. Maybe in 2024, if I had 1,000
1,000
rupees,
rupees.
I could buy 10
Not,
things.
yes, yes.
If I be more specific,
Yes.
just for example, I could buy 10 grocery things, grocery
Grocery
items. But in 2025,
25, it is like 5 or 6.
yeah, so
So inflation means
is
the money lose
its value.
Is
Yeah,
its
day by
value.
day. Yeah, it's
Day by
true. So that's why our parents, maybe the old generation, they used to talk that in our time, just for a
Yes.
few hundred rupees, they used to buy a lot of things.
Lot of things,
Yeah, but
yes.
right now it's not possible.
It's not possible because of that inflation.
Yes,
Because
yes.
it's called
Yeah.
inflation.
Okay, I think I just
And
want to
that's
say.
why everyone looks for some safe to
Yeah.
so hold this value of money.
Yeah, they actually want to hold,
Hold their
value. Yeah.
value.
Because money will lose their value,
Lose value.
day by day.
But if you invest on gold and silver,
Yes.
so it's no matter what is the happen, it
Yeah.
cannot lose
Yes.
its value.
Yes.
So that's why everyone go for gold and silver.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, if I want to put it more simply, for example, if you have 1,000 rupees in your bank account,
Okay.
and in next year, if the inflation rate is 7%,
Yes.
so your money will go down by 70.
Seven.
Your money will be 930 rupees, the value of the
Value
money
of the-
actually. But if you buy a gold of rupees 1,000 rupees, and the value of that gold will
Gold will
increase.
increase.
Maybe it will be 1,000 or 100 plus. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's
That's-
why people are actually investing in golds. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, there is another thing that we have to understand in our country, especially India. We love gold, not
Yes.
because it is for investment, but because of the jewelry.
Jewelry. Yes.
Especially in wedding and different occasion. We really
And
love.
also on in festival.
Yes, festivals. There are so many festivals, and do you think that because of this particular because of this particular reason, the gold price is also increasing?
Yes, 100%. Because that in India, they are not like they're our people go not see gold as a metal or jewelry.
Yeah,
They see like a prosperity and
Yes,
something
growth,
safe
yeah.
and good luck.
Good luck,
You
it's
know?
also for good luck.
So in in Dhanteras, Diwali,
Yeah.
there our Indian people go to buy gold for good luck.
Yes.
So on the when the demand level high,
Yes.
so it's natural to the price growing up
Yes.
and goes up. So that's why gold price also growing up.
Yes.
So our culture and like our love for gold.
Yeah.
That's
That's also one of the biggest factor.
biggest factor and
Yes.
another reason of that.
Yeah, that's true. You can also observe that before Diwali, before Dhanteras, the prices were so high. And after it's all been covered or it's been done, that the price is
Then-
going down. Yeah,
yes.
because there is a huge demand.
Yes, after like there, how can I like the reason is political tension and the
Yeah, it's-
economy.
Yes.
World economy when stable, the gold price automatically like goes down.
Yeah.
So that's the reason. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
sometimes
the-
because as we all seeing that there has been a war for many years,
Yes.
Israel and
Israel or
Palestine war.
Palestine.
But now it's almost come to an end, and that may be the reason that
Yes.
it's going down.
Yes.
Okay, now if I just stop thinking about gold and talking about silver, I know silver price is also going so high. Even so many people say that silver is touched its all-time high.
High.
All-time high means last 50 years it didn't touch that level, but
Okay.
in 2025 it touched that level.
Yes,
So
I
my
agree.
question is that why silver is also increasing, why silver price is also growing.
Okay, so first of all, silver is not like a like it's not properly a like metal. It's also a industrial things.
Yeah.
Like nowadays, world moves to green or like something developed
Yeah,
and going to fully AI or technology. They are
renewable energy also there.
manufacturing
Yes.
increasing day by day. So that's why the silver price also growing up because the silver used to make solar panels,
Yes.
electric vehicles, mobile phones,
Yeah.
and batteries.
Yes.
So when it's also a demand.
Yeah.
So that's why silver price also growing up.
Yeah. So actually, where you have told it very rightly that the industrial uses of silver.
Yes, yes.
And previously, it is used as a jewelry material.
Yes.
People used to, but as this time goes on, silver is being used in all the industrial
Industrial
field. Yeah, especially we are actually transforming our life from electrical energy to solar energy.
Yes.
So they are in to develop solar panel. People are
Yes.
using industry are using that. So that could be the one of the reasons.
Yes.
The silver and
Gold.
gold price is so high.
High.
It's growing up every day. But if a person wants to buy or maybe invest in silver or gold, do you think that he should wait or he should buy right away, right now? Is this the right time to invest or
So
buy?
you
some-
mentioned that right way.
Yeah.
That's the main thing of investment. If you know how to investment, how to manage your money.
Yeah.
So on that time, it's no matter.
doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. So if you know how to how to manage your money and how to invest, like if the nowadays gold price and silver price also high,
Yeah.
but if you know how to invest, so on that time you invest a short amount of money.
Okay.
You not you don't buy a lot amount of money at once,
Yes.
because
Yeah, right.
if the price go down you lose that money.
Yeah. Yeah.
But if you invest slowly and
Monthly basis.
monthly basis, it's called maybe systematic
Yes.
investment.
Investment SIP kind of
SIP
things.
type method. So on that time, it's not like the balance was managed, like totally managed. Like when the price growing up, you also buy, and
Yeah.
when the price goes down, you also buy on that
Yeah.
time. And
Yeah,
you
it will
think
be average.
average
Yes.
of that. And if you think about it's if you like your mentality, it's like that. You want to earn some money to gold buy.
Yeah.
It's not possible.
It's short-term profit. If
Yes.
if anyone wants to make that, it's not.
It's not possible.
Yes.
You have to invest for 5 or more
Yeah, long-term.
long term.
Yeah.
So yeah, like if you think about long term
Long term.
and right way to invest, you mentioned that systematic investment,
Okay.
like every month. And so if you invest your money on gold or silver like that way, it's the best time.
Yeah. So it doesn't matter what the price
Yes.
is right now, but if you are a long-term investor, if you want to hold that particular item or material for long term, it's
Long
the
term,
right
yes.
time. Otherwise, if you just so if you predict that the price will go up, that's why I'm buying, and within 1 or 2 weeks I will sell. That is a bad thing. I think
Yes,
you
that's
should
right.
not
Because
predict.
on that time they don't have knowledge.
Yeah.
They don't have why it's happened.
Yeah.
Like when we know why it is happening,
Yeah.
we know the real thing. We know how to manage this situation.
Yes.
So we should about learn, then invest, and
Yeah.
that's
Okay. So I mean that if I buy, I have to know why I'm buying.
Buying,
If I am selling, I have to know why I'm
I'm
selling. The reason behind it, I have to study. Okay, that's good. Okay, so when we talk about investment in gold on ETF, or sorry, not ETFs, actually gold and silver.
Silver.
So what are the different options we have to invest our money? Where can I invest my money if I want to get the benefits of the rising prices of gold and silver?
Okay, you already mentioned that ETF.
Yeah,
so
yeah, it's the one of
That's the one thing is gold ETF, and the second thing is the digital gold.
Digital.
You know.
Okay.
So first thing first is digital gold. What
Yeah.
is digital gold and how
How anyone can invest money?
So digital gold mean there are some apps. You buy some golds through this app.
Yeah.
Like for example, like Digi Gold or
Yeah, there are so many apps.
so many
Yeah,
apps.
yeah.
So and on this like you can buy through this app
Yeah.
of gold. You have to you don't have to store gold from
Physical gold, yes.
physical gold. And the second thing is gold ETF.
Yeah.
ETF means
Exchange
traded fund, or
Yeah.
you in this gold ETF you buy gold from stock market.
Yes.
You
Okay.
don't get the physical gold,
Yeah.
but you you have the proof how much you own this gold.
Yes.
So and this is the modern thing to investment on gold or silver.
Definitely. I think most of the people, why they are buying ETFs is because not everybody wants to wear gold ornaments or gold jewelry.
Okay.
They just want to get the benefits of the prices that it is increasing.
Yes.
That's why if I want to get the benefits of the prices, gold is growing up every day, it's growing. So I just need to get the benefit of it.
Yes.
So at that time, if I do not want to wear the ornaments, I think this is the best option.
Yes.
I can choose
Yes.
to invest in. I actually invest in gold.
And if you invest on like if you buy from gold ETF or digital gold,
Yeah.
if you anytime you buy
Yes, you can
or you
sell
can
that.
sell.
Yeah, that is so easy.
That's the easy
Yeah.
and so like
Yeah, it is actually called liquidity.
Yes,
The
I know.
things very easily you can buy and sell.
sell.
It has liquidity. For physical gold, sometimes it becomes very much
Very
difficult.
much difficult.
Yeah, you have to go to the store and
There are
just,
some rules and regulation
yes, rules and
also.
regulation. They will check the purity
Yes.
of that particular gold.
And like when someone buy from
Physical
apps,
store.
like no,
apps.
through apps.
Yeah.
So on that time also you also check the purity of
Yeah,
on this,
definitely. Yeah.
because on that time there is lot of fake
Yeah.
apps and fake news also. So
Yeah.
that's why we also aware about this.
Yeah. And do you know one thing, that when you buy physical gold, you have to give some extra money. And why is that? Because first of all, let's for example, you want to buy a gold of 1 lakh rupees, of amount of 1 lakh rupees. At least first of all, you have to give 3% GST.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that would be added on that
Yes.
physical gold. But when you are buying digital, even if you buy digital gold, it's
Digital gold
also there. But when you are buying ETFs, you don't need to pay any GST on
GST.
that. And even when you are buying digital gold, you don't need to give any making charges. But when
Okay.
you are buying physical
Physical gold.
you also have to give
Charges.
making charges.
Charge.
You know, the ornaments they will give.
Yes.
It has a making charge.
Yes, I need.
So there are 2 extra charges you have to pay.
pay.
Yeah, it means you are already giving 4% extra
Sure.
to that owner
Owner.
and who is selling you. But when you are buying ETF, that kind of charges will not be applicable for
Yes.
you. Yeah, so that's why I think people are more interested in
Yes.
investing in
ETF on digital
gold. Okay, that's good.
And ETF also more better than digital
Yeah,
gold.
actually, I think physical gold is for better who wants to wear that item, who wants to
Yes.
use that item. Especially if we talk about that, you already mentioned that it is a symbol of luck and prosperity. So in our country, women want to wear that kind of
Yes.
things. They feel happy, they feel satisfied
Satisfied.
when they wear this kind of things. They go to any wedding. Okay,
Yes.
so at that time they can buy.
Yes.
But if anyone is actually considering that as an investment, I think in ETFs is the best option to it. Okay, so Abhijit, that was a wonderful discussion with you.
Yes,
You
it's
really,
also.
yeah.
And there is previous podcast also. I feel so happy, and that is the second podcast.
Yeah.
I feel so confident.
So are
and, yeah.
you feeling much more comfortable than the previous podcast?
Yes, yes, that's true. Because when you do something again, and
Yes.
again, so on that time your confidence so high,
yes.
and you will be the like what you want to be. You will be the
It will become normal.
Normal,
Like,
yes.
daily discussion that you
Yes.
are talking to your friends and family members.
and the second thing is you have to practice it.
Yeah,
from home
definitely.
or something. Or
The more effort you will
Yes.
put, the better you will
Yeah,
become.
yes.
And that's the secret. Okay, so dear listeners, whoever listening to us, as you have seen that we have discussed about gold and silver price, how it is growing and how it is affecting our life. And this is how not only we are improving our English communication skill, we will get to know about different topics, that why it is happening and how it can affect our life. These are the very important things that we have to understand. Not only it is important for our English speaking, it is also important for our knowledge. And whenever you will take any action, these are the things that you have to take in consider. So that's all for today's podcast. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and stay learning.